Gourmet cooking, anyone can enjoy it. Gourmet cooking is one of those things that a lot of people assume are out of their reach. They think of it as something that is only available to wealthy people, but that isn't the way it really is. There isn't any reason to think you aren't able to take advantage of the delightful taste of gourmet cooking recipes. The best part is that when you have the recipes, you don't have to go out to a fancy restaurant that will put a major dent in your bank account. Instead, you will be able to make them for you, your family, or guests anytime you wish. To be fair, a lot of people hear the term gourmet cooking recipes and assume they will be loaded with exotic ingredients that require even more exotic preparation. But there is no reason for you to be intimidated. As with any new skill, gourmet cooking may involve a bit of a learning curve, but even at that, a lot of your so-called misses will still be tasty. Either way, it's a lot of fun learning how to cook fine food. You not only get to enjoy nice meals, but you will also have the satisfaction knowing that you made it yourself and didn't have to spend a fortune for the meal. One of the keys of all gourmet cooking recipes is using fresh, high-quality ingredients. In fact, much of what you will learn is how to select the best ingredients, how to store them, and how to prepare them. Doing this alone will go a long way toward improving how good all of your meals are. What about exotic ingredients? While it is true that caviar, pâté, escargot, and other expensive foods are associated with gourmet cooking, you don't have to use such ingredients. There is no rule that says that a gourmet recipe has to be complicated or exotic. It can be a fairly simple meal as long as you focus on choosing the best to go into the meal. That's what real gourmet cooking is all about. It used to be that you had to attend a cooking school to learn how to make gourmet food. But this is another thing that isn't true. With more and more people being connected to the internet, there are now several online cooking schools that cater to the chef in all of us. You can get printed guides, join forums, watch videos, or visit websites that specialize in gourmet cooking recipes. A great thing about cooking is that there are endless possibilities. You can learn a few basic recipes and leave it at that, or you can keep learning more and more. There is no limit to the gourmet cooking recipes you can try, just as there is no end to the creativity you can add to each dish. Now, you may not want to open a restaurant, but if you do, that's okay, but you can certainly enjoy the fruits of the cooking you do. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.